Good morning, students. Hope you're doing well. This is Vinita Singh, and we will be discussing more about our chapter Basic Features of Text Editor. Today, we will be discussing about some of the tools that are available, and one of them is copy and paste. The copy and paste operation will copy the content from its original place and create a duplicate copy of the content at the desired location without deleting the text from its original location. That means if you want to copy some content from one document to the another, so you can copy and paste it in that place, but the place from where you have copied, at that place the content will not be deleted. That means that particular content will be available at both the positions. Now let us see how you can do it. The following is the procedure to copy the content. First, you need to select the word. Move the mouse pointer to the beginning of the word. Then press the left button and hold it down. Now drag the mouse pointer to the selected word, and the selected word is highlighted. So you will see over here, as you can see, that this word is now highlighted. The word which I have selected is now highlighted. Now release the left button of the mouse at the end of the word after you're done with the copying. Then move the mouse pointer to the copy on the toolbar. That copy option will be available on the icon, as you can see over here. So you need to click on the copy icon. Now move the mouse pointer to the position where you want to paste the word. For example, I need to paste somewhere else. So I'll move my cursor to the different position. Now you need to click the left mouse button. You will see the paste option available in the toolbar. You need to click on the paste icon. The words that was selected by the copy is now pasted at the position of the cursor. So as you can see, one name is pasted over here, and the next after copying it is pasted over here. So both the names are available. These are the steps through which you can copy and paste it. So all you need to do is move the cursor to the beginning of the word to be copied and select the word. Click on copy. Move the cursor to the place where you want the word. Click on paste. These are the steps through which you can copy any word or any content by using the copy paste option. I hope all of you have understood how to copy and paste. So now you will practice this after the class. Take care and have a great day.